He's driving an on-road car. And I got on video. Did you hear him? He jumped in. He said he wasn't gonna drive. I knew he would. Keep going. Okay. All right. Dylan's taking over. Dylan in his 17.5 touring car.
Now he's all bummed that we're going to be here for the next.
I think you need to take some dual ring out of the steering.
He's got his first right turn.
Move over. Let him by. What?
Hold on to the back wings like this. That's it?
No, you can't do that after the sauce is gone. Do you know where your dual rate is on your radio?
What?
Do you know where the dual rate is on your radio?
No.
Excuse
It's okay. Does it turn too much, you think?
Me too.
Does it feel like it has too much steering?
What?
Does it feel like it has too much steering?
You want me to turn it down?
Turn it down like